When it comes to move-out cleaning, Aloha Maids stands unrivaled, with over 1,000 glowing reviews and more than 100,000 successful cleanings. Meet Deborah Matthews-Smith. She shares, "I spoke with Christy, and Alicia arrived on time with 2 helpers for our move-out cleaning. They did a fantastic job. I highly recommend them and plan to hire them for bi-weekly cleanings once we're settled." Rebecca Wilson faced a last-minute cancellation from another cleaner. She recalls, "Aloha Maids came through for us, and within 2 hours of my call, Nayeli exceeded my expectations, and Ethel, the agent, was a true lifesaver. I would definitely hire them again." Elizabeth S. needed a thorough clean on short notice. She says, on a last-minute Saturday booking, they were able to deliver a wonderful and thorough cleaning. They skimped on nothing. Highly recommend for anyone needing a thorough service. Amanda S. was in a bind when her scheduled cleaners didn't show. She found Aloha Maids on Yelp and shares, "They sent Paola and Myra within hours. They cleaned everything, even mopped my balcony. The place was cleaner than when I moved in. I highly recommend Aloha Maids for their professionalism and impressive work. At Aloha Maids, we understand the stress of moving and are committed to making your transition smoother with our reliable and professional cleaning services. Ready to experience the Aloha difference? Call 1-888-99-ALOHA or visit us at alohamaids.com.